Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see, it's a nice snowy day out here. A little chilly, nothing much. But we're going to bring you some work. We're going to show you something. We have a nice air compressor tank that we're going to make look new again. Stick around, watch the intro, and let's get this going. Hey, thanks for sticking around. As you saw, it's a little wintry out there today, but hey, it's warm in here. We are going to be doing an air compressor tank today. It's an old Forney air compressor. The ID tag said 1978, so we're going to see if we can't bring this back to its original glory. I already took the ID tag off right here. It just slides in on the bottom, slides in on the top, comes off real easily. But as you can see, it is in need of some serious work. And then there's the information tag on it. A Forney air compressor, model 42A-F. So I'm going to see about getting this sandblasted down, get it coated. We'll put the logo back on the side and make it look as new as possible. So stick around. I'm going to go get the sandblaster ready and see how this works for us. Alright, as you can see, we got the air compressor tank all sandblasted. Got the axles all covered, holes are all plugged. It is now ready for some primer. See if we can't get this started. I've been in working on some graphics for it, so stick around, we'll see how that goes. Let me know what you think, and see if we can't make this look new again. So hang tight. Alright, so there you just saw me spraying the primer. So as you can see, we still have everything all covered up, plugged up. So we're going to let this go for a little bit. And then we're going to spray some white. We're going to apply the graphics, and then we're going to spray the final color, which if you saw at the beginning is going to be red. So while I go do that, you enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's see how this goes. Okay, you can see I got my mask on, so you know what that means. That means we're going to be spraying some powder. So here's our tank. Primer's all set. It's gelled to where I want it. I did a 3/4 cure for it. So now, we're going to spray some white. And then we're going to put some graphics. And then we're going to spray some red. And then you're going to see a whole new tank. So, rather than me stand here talking, let's get to spraying some powder. Alright, so we sprayed the white. As you can see, I wasn't worried about inside. I'm just more worried about where it's going to be seen, because that white, most of it is going to be fully covered, and there's only going to be a little bit from the graphics right here on the side that's actually going to be seen. I like to spray the whole thing, that way you don't have a weird buildup of powder under the second coat, giving you make it look wrong. So I spray the whole thing where it's going to be seen, gives you a nice even coat, and then we'll put the graphics, spray the top coat, and it's going to be nice and smooth. So enough talking. Let's get some heat back on this thing, do another partial cure, and then we'll be back for putting the graphics on. Alright, we are back. As you can see, we have this air tank is done white right now. That is because that's what color the logos are going to be, which I have right here. So now we're going to stick these down, get them ready, get this thing sprayed up, and see if we can't get the final product up. So, we are got it marked where it goes. Just gonna double check. There we are. Before I took it off, took the original one out of there, I measured out the distance around the top of the circles, and it measured out 2 1/4 inches. And that's where we are. So now, see if we can peel this back. You always got to take your time with applying adhesive graphics like this. Make sure they're actually fully stuck as you go. You don't want to try and rush the job and find out that you missed a spot or something wasn't where it needed to be, and then you gotta go back, start all over again. So that is that side. Kind of looks good just the way it sits right now, but the customer did want this air tank red, so it's going to become red. So now, let's get this repositioned over here. We can get the second one done. That marked in there. And this is why when you put the graphics down, you don't stick it right away. There we go. Because if you stick it down right away, it doesn't give you the opportunity to adjust anything or move anything if needed. There we go. There's two little marks there I've got to wipe off, get rid of. Then we're ready to spray some red. Stick around, and we'll get that red sprayed, and see where we go. Alright, you just saw me spraying the red. You can kind of see the lettering in under there a little bit, but we're going to heat this up, get the powder gelled a little bit, and then we're going to peel some graphics off and show you the results. So stick around, here we go. Alright YouTube, here we have that air compressor tank all set, ready to go. You can see the lettering in there came out nice. All set, ready to go. Now just a matter of let it cool down some more. Take out the plugs, take off the axle nut covers, and let the customer know it's ready. And in the meantime, I'm going to go start getting ready to make another video. So why don't you just go click that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you think. And I'm going to continue to make more. I see the channel's steadily growing, so that's a bonus. More people to see the work, more people to be there. So, till next time, stay warm, keep it loud.